Hi dear Cancerians, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Cancerians, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind these are general readings. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from 1st till the 10th of October. Okay, so let's start reading. Your partner's current energy right now is Cancerians. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Let's see, sweetie, what is happening? Eight of Swords. Okay, your partner right now is feeling like they are in some kind of mental jail that they are not able to come out of from, and they are not mentally well actually. They can certainly come out of this jail really well. It's not easy to come out of a thing where you have created the jail for yourself. And mental conflict is something that is very difficult to deal with, because we create a situation where we are not actually in the situation, but we feel like we are in there. Like, are you getting my point? So this is the situation that is happening with your partner right now. Let me clarify the Eight of Swords in their current energy. Let me see. Let me clarify. Five of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, and the Four of Pentacles. My God. So this person is trying to move on. This person is trying to move on because there was a fight between you guys. There was a battle between you guys. Actually, not battle or fight. That was an ego battle. Might be there was some kind of cold war going on between you guys, and this person is trying to hold back a lot of things that they want to tell you or that they want to clear with you, but they are not able to do that. Okay, and that's why this person right now is feeling like they're in certain kind of jail or mental jail. No matter how hard they are trying to come out of this jail, they are not able to do that. Okay, they are feeling like somebody left them, hanging on the wall. Somebody betrayed them. Somebody did something very wrong with them. But again, there's some kind of ego battle going on between you or them, or between this person and somebody else, and they are not able to take this very positively. They are trying their best to control their emotions, to control what is happening with them, to control their life, but they are not able to do that. Not able to do that at all. Dealing with certain kind of mental conflict right now. Let me see what is happening with you. Cancerians, your current energy right now is, let's see, your current energy right now is, your current energy right now is Nine of Wands. Not very different from the person you are dealing with. Nine of Wands. You are also feeling like a wounded warrior here. You are feeling like, yeah, everything is falling apart, nothing is working out in my favor, but still I'm hopeful that everything is going to be fine in the future. Okay, you are hurt, deeply hurt, but you are not losing hope. Deeply hurt, but not leaving your ground, standing on your ground. See, there's a difference between the conflict that they are facing and that you are facing. This person is losing all hopes. They are feeling tremendously negative. You, on the other hand, is not losing hope. Although you are wounded, although you are hurt, you are hopeful that everything is going to be fine. Might be not today, might be not tomorrow, but yes, it will in the future. Let me see, let me clarify the Nine of Wands for you. Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. So what you're doing is, you're giving yourself a chance. You're giving yourself a second chance for love. In love, you can say. But what you're doing is, you're feeling like, I will make my career first. I will be something in life. I will be very financially stable. I will be, I will be like shifting my focus on my money, on my business, on my career only. Once I will be settled, then I will see the love part. This is what you are doing. You are promising it to yourself. You are giving yourself another chance. Cancerians, this is a very beautiful energy. Please, please, please keep doing that. That will give you a lot of time to analyze what true love is. See, this is Ace of Pentacles, this is the Queen of Cups, and this is the Nine of Pentacles. Might be the, I don't know, the numbering was incorrect, might be, but the meaning is the same. So I feel like yes, you are just giving life a second chance, that yeah, okay, it's enough now, I just want to restart my life, I will see the love part, or I will handle the love part only when I will be financially stable. Nice. Let me see their feelings for you, what this person feels for you. Their feelings for you. Their feelings for you are death. Oops. Could be dealing with a Scorpio here. So I feel like this person is feeling like there's nothing left in this connection. The connection is over. There's separation. There is a rebirth in the connection. I will check that if they are hoping for a reconciliation, or if they are feeling to have a reconciliation. But right now this person is feeling like this connection is completely over. There's nothing left in this connection between you guys. There's nothing happening in this connection. Let me clarify the death before you leave the video in between. Please listen carefully what is happening, okay? Death. Let me clarify the death as their feelings for you. Nine of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. Yes. This person is developing new feelings for you. They are hopeful and positive that in the future everything is going to be fine. Now they are feeling like they should take a break. I feel like this person wants to connect with you, but they are going to take time, might be 2, 3, 4 months. Because Four of Swords is here, and swords are related to, months here. If not months only, swords are related to anyway, a pose. Four of Swords, a pose, a meditative phase where they are trying to contemplate what to do. So there is a separation between you guys. Definitely I can see that you guys are not together at all. But this person is feeling like a rebirth with you, in this connection with you. They carry lots of love for you, and they want to have a future with you. See, this person carries a lots of love for you, and they want this love to convert into a family, but they are taking a break, contemplating and thinking about the future prospect of this particular connection. But right now they feel like this is over. How to restart? They are thinking about that. They are feeling like they should think about how to restart this connection with you. This is death and rebirth for you guys in this particular connection especially. Let me see what this person wants from you. Let me see. Seven of Cups. This is what this person wants from you. I have to clarify the Seven of Cups before I say anything to you. Might be this person wants you to focus on so many things at the same time, or they just want you to keep your options open in your life, or it could be vice versa. It could be anything. Let me clarify the Seven of Cups as what they want from you, because I don't feel like any lover on earth wants a person or their person to keep their options open. Kind of weird, right? Let me clarify. Or it might also be possible they just want you to stop looking for options and just focus on them. Two of Pentacles, Two of Cups, and the Four of Wands. See, this person wants you to stop juggling, and they want you to have a soulful connection or a soulmate energy, and recognize the soulful connection and soulmate energy, and to be stable in your life. This is what they want from you. Definitely this is what they want from you. This person wants you to stop the juggling, because you're constantly juggling, might be between them or somebody else, or might be you're looking for options in your life. They don't want you to look for options at all. They want you to recognize that you and them are soulmates. They just want you to stop juggling, and they want you to realize that you both are soulmates, soulmate connection, and you both can have a happy married life in the future. You both can have a stable future in the future. This is what they want from you. This person wants you to stop looking for options in your life and recognize who your true soulmate is, who your true love is. It could be you who is wanting this from them. Okay, this could be any one of you. My God, no! Yeah, thank God. Let me see what is coming towards you till the 10th of October, Cancerians. Let's see. Ten of Pentacles, happiness. If it is not happiness related to your love, it is happiness related to your money, abundance, good news. Definitely some kind of good news is coming towards you. Definitely some kind of abundance is coming towards you. Might be you were waiting for this abundance thing from a very long time. Now this is happening. Ten of Pentacles is the energy of financial abundance for lots of you. Let me clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Might be a proposal coming in towards you from this particular person, but you are not at all ready for love. Not at all ready for love. I don't think, Cancerians, right now with this current energy you are ready for love at all. Don't rush into anything. Don't make any kind of decisions just because you are feeling lonely, might be, or slightly depressed or something like that. Please don't do that, okay? King of Cups and the Five of Wands and the Page of Wands. So I think you had a fight with somebody, you had a ugly fight with somebody or an ugly spat with somebody in the recent past, and this somebody is coming back with a offer, or with there's a communication happening between you and this somebody else, and this will straight lead you to, might be a place that you guys are soulmate and you guys should reconnect with each other again, or there's offer of love coming towards you from this particular person. Certain kind of opening up situation is coming. So I feel like there is a conversation opening up between you guys, and this will straight away lead both of you to a situation where both of you feel like connected to each other on a level where you guys can have a family together. But yes, there is energy of love coming towards you present here. Energy of somebody who was fighting with you constantly. They are going to apologize, and there is certain kind of communication opening up between you guys again. Now this is your free will if you want this connection to convert into something or not as of now. But from my point of view, I feel like you should not hurry into anything. You should not rush into any kind of connection right now, because right now your focus should be on your money, on your job, on your career. Yeah, once this career thing is set, then you can go for this, because again, I'm not feeling a stable energy here. Not at all stable. You should just wait, Cancerians. No, but it's your free will, right? So yeah, thank you so much for connecting with me. I'll see you soon in the next video, and I will try my best to be as consistent as possible in the future. Really sorry about being so inconsistent and pissing you off. Sorry. Thank you so much. Bye. Namaste.